Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for Go programming. Codeium's AI-powered features can enhance your Go development experience with smart code suggestions and completions. So let's dive in. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new Go project or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you write Go code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions appear in a drop-down menu in your cursor. To accept a suggestion, simply select Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested code in snippet into your Go file, helping you code faster and more efficiently. Codeium can assist with various aspects of Go programming such as writing functions, structs, interfaces, and methods. It offers intelligent suggestions based on Go best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a function definition or struct, Codeium will suggest completions for parameters, return types, and method implementations, making it easier to write well-structured Go code. Codeium also supports Go-specific features like Go routines and channels. It can provide relevant code completions and recommendations for handling concurrency and parallelism effectively. To customize Codeium's behavior for Go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown and language specific settings. Use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to improve your Go code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your code. Regularly test and review your Go code to ensure it functions as expected. Codeium suggestions can help you write better code, but always validate your code through testing. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for Go programming. This tool can boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient Go code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.